How to recover streak on Snapchat. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Snapchat account. Then click on your profile at the top left corner of your screen. After that, it will lead you to your profile. In your profile, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, you'll find different options in here. Scroll down and click on Help Center. After you've clicked on Help Center, you'll find these options. At the top in the search bar, simply search I lost my snap streak, or simply search lost streak and search. Here you will find I lost my streak. How do I restore it? Click on it. After you've clicked on it, simply scroll down and you'll find I tried to restore my streak. In there, click on this form. After you click on this form, you will find this kind of screen. In here, add your username, then add your email, add your phone number, and then in chat type, select if it's chat with one friend or group chat. After you've done that, add your friend's username, then press on submit. After you submit it, Snapchat will get back to you within some hours and solve your issue. This is our recover streak on Snapchat. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.